Hey guys, this is the great Get Tip on the Allen Brothers channel on harmonics. Now, harmonics technically are a fretless note, meaning you don't have to push down on the fretboard to sustain the note. So when we do this, this can apply when the fretboard stops and runs out of notes. Harmonics can continue to go all the way up to the bridge. Now, something like this. You slide your hand down and find where it begins to ring and hit the note. And you go all the way up the fretboard. Now this is something really nice technique because when you're playing, a lot of times if you're down lower especially or certain spots, harmonics are kind of hard to play. So when you're playing your notes, this has been another great Get Tip. Just to remind you guys that anything is possible. Keep an open mind when you're playing your instrument. Learn little techniques and continue to master it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, Allen Brothers, and check out some more videos on some awesome great Get Tips, and stay tuned for more. Thanks so much, guys.